Assalamualaikum. Today our topic is even and odd number. In this lesson, I will tell you what is the difference between even and odd number. Even numbers. Even numbers. What is the definition of even number? How we recognize that this is even? All even numbers have 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in the unit place. Unit place, one place. Unit place, one place. All the even numbers have 0, 2, 4, 6, 4. Look at the 0, 2, 4, 4, 6, 8. What is the 0, 2, 4, 6, 8? Divided by 2, multiples of 2. 104, unit place is 4. 4 is even number, it is even. 230, unit place is 0. Even. Unit place is 4. Even. Unit place is even. 8 is also even. The another symbol to recognize the even numbers. Multiples of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8. 0 is also even number. 2, 4, 6, 8. Another trick to recognize the even number, pairs. Suppose 2 pair, 4 2 plus 2, 4 pair, pair. The one unit place, divide by 2, 4, 2 to the 4, it is even. I hope you will understand the concept of even. The same rule applies when identifying bigger even numbers. When identifying bigger even numbers, suppose 6, 1 unit place, even number. 2 unit place, even number. 8 unit place, it even number. Odd numbers. All odd numbers have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 in the unit place. Unit place, one place. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. This are not the multiples of 2. They have no pairs. 1 unit place, 1. Odd number, 3, 1 unit place, odd number. 9, 7, 5. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 in the unit place. Odd numbers. Odd numbers cannot be divided by 2. They have no pairs. Suppose 1. 1 is single, it has no pair. 3, 2 1 1 2 3 pair, it's a single. Odd 5 1 2 3 4 5 pair, it's a single. Odd number. All odd numbers have 1 3 5 7 9 in the unit place. The same rule is applying when identifying bigger numbers. Suppose at the end unit place 7, it is odd number. आई होप आपको वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. पसंद आई हो तो लाइक कीजिए, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. ओके, थैंक यू स्टूडेंट.